psychology exam. Real life silence of the lambs. I can function in addiction, freely in stupidity, cursed affliction. I'm good down here, brav, I choose to lose. I'm bruised and cruising over 25 clubs with the 50-year-old mugs dancing to Europop. I'm always ready, cause you'll get buried, so try to keep steady. I study the worry and laughter lines on display. I jumped into the deep end. I jumped into the deep end. Is evidence that thoughts are too dense. Talking sense is recompense for the nonsense espoused. Compound fractures, structural defects, arbitrary selection panels, the banal, the sublime, the stupid. Perception gaps from the bubble down here to you lot up there in your bubble. Here's a pin, pricks. I jumped into the deep end to see if I could swim. I laid my head on your single bed, just to feel the pain. I put 2 fingers in the fire, to see if they'd get burnt. I failed myself, spent mental wealth, just to see you again.